Okay, so apparently I'm not successful when it comes to removing the snap ring here. It's really fused into the knuckle. Like no matter what I do, just won't budge. So instead of putting a lot of effort, time, so I ended up buying new one for a reasonable price. So here's what it's gonna look like. This is the new one. So here it is. Well, actually, this is the this is the, I believe, the left side. Oh, sorry, the right side. This is the right side knuckle. What I have even, but this one is the left side. But I order both anyway, because also the right side is really bad. So I bought two knuckle, steering knuckle. So as you can see now, all I have to do is just put the bearing in and put it into the car, rather than struggling with this. So here's our new wheel bearing, and comes with a snap ring, which is good. Well, this is a wheel bearing with a tone ring here for the ABS, but for particular Yaris I have, it doesn't come with the ABS, so I'm not really worried about this. But still, I have to put it in the right manner, because this is the where the sensor would be for the ABS one. So the magnetic side, it should be on the top, not on the bottom, because if you do this, you gotta have the ABS light on.